Pretty much what you'd expect from the shop's appearance. There goes my plan to tame her likability. She can't eat this. No one can.
I have to eat it.
Mukha wel maak toe laat hulle nie kom nie.
If I lick the food that's been served to me untouched, and I can't disillusion 7 billion people!
I don't think you should be eating that. Hey, Pops, even pigs wouldn't eat this slop. She eats stuff like this.
Perfect woman, huh? You know, she'll go that far just to play the perfect woman, then maybe she actually is perfect.
I feel sick.
My name is Rejix Ritska, and I'm a psychic medium. From the time I was born, I've been able to see ghosts. People think ghosts are scary, but they're not.
Hey,
They're actually really nice
have a good day and watch out for cops. You don't want to
and
get
helpful.
hit.
Thanks. See, ghosts are completely harmless. I guess what I'm trying to say is, the powers of a medium.
Ek het nou klaar gespeel. Die hond verveel hom.